Imagine consuming something so common, so seemingly harmless, yet it's silently undermining your heart's health with every bite. It's a shocking reality, but most of us have been unknowingly feeding our hearts poison disguised as food. This isn't about the obvious culprits. It's about that one ingredient so deeply woven into our daily diet that no one warns us about. The same food that's often celebrated as healthy might be the very thing killing your heart. But why hasn't anyone told you? And more importantly, what can you do to protect yourself? Have you ever wondered if that healthy food you eat daily might be harming your heart? Are you unknowingly indulging in a silent killer with every meal? And what changes can you make today to safeguard your most vital organ? In this video, we will uncover the truth behind this common food, unravel the dangers it poses to your cardiovascular system, and guide you on a path to better heart health. The answers might surprise you, but they could also save your life. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Nearly 90% of people who watch our videos every week forget to subscribe to the channel and therefore miss out on our life-saving health tips and information. What is the worst food for your heart? The most harmful food for heart health is not just one, but a group that includes processed meats. Processed meats contain very high levels of sodium, as well as dangerous chemical preservatives, being classified by the World Health Organization as carcinogenic. Moreover, processed meats have a very high content of saturated fats and provide little protein. When you consume bacon, sausages, chorizo, and salami, you're ingesting fats that have undergone oxidation to become cured or processed meats. These saturated and oxidized fats enter the body and increase the level of bad cholesterol in the blood, which over time can lead to atherosclerosis, the clogging of arteries by fats. The 5 worst ingredients for your heart. 1. Salt. Table salt, or common salt, is one of the most consumed ingredients that directly damages heart health. Salt contains sodium, and while sodium is necessary to maintain the body's electrolyte balance, excessive consumption can raise blood pressure and lead to hypertension, which is detrimental to the heart. Additionally, salt increases the workload of the kidneys, as the body needs to excrete as much as possible, drawing water from all reserves to do so, inducing dehydration and promoting greater kidney effort, which in turn requires more blood pumping to filter the excess sodium. This directly affects the heart. When you consume foods high in sodium, your heart suffers, and the risk of heart disease increases. The recommended daily intake of sodium is 10,000 milligrams per day, an amount that is easily reached and often exceeded. 2. Trans fats. Trans fats undergo a process very similar to processed saturated fats. These are hydrogenated oils subjected to various heating, bleaching, and even state-changing processes to make them more palatable, as in the case of margarine. This type of fat also lodges in the bloodstream, oxidizes, and adheres to arterial walls, potentially causing atherosclerosis. Trans fats are present in almost all processed foods, such as frozen meals, pizzas, cookies, snacks, and baked desserts. 3. Added sugars. Added sugars are one of the worst ingredients you can find in your foods. They are present in candies, sweets, cereals, cookies, processed juices, your favorite coffee, and even in unexpected places like peanut butter. Even foods labeled as light or fat-free are full of added sugars. A diet high in sugars leads to insulin resistance and increases triglycerides, turning into fat in abdominal tissue, which is hard to burn and can affect the health of nearby organs. Excess added sugars predispose to diabetes, cause inflammation, destroy tissues, and harden arterial walls, impacting circulatory health and predisposing to heart disease. 4. Saturated fats. Saturated fats are found in fatty meats, processed meats, and other foods used as meal accompaniments, such as mayonnaise, sour cream, butter, and coconut oil. These fats are dangerous when consumed in excess, raising the level of bad cholesterol in the body and causing circulatory problems due to plaque buildup on arterial walls. The oxidation of these fats can cause inflammation and tissue deterioration. Although moderate consumption has been associated with improved heart health, eating too much saturated fat, especially if there are already risk factors like high cholesterol or heart conditions, can be extremely dangerous. 5. Processed meats. As mentioned earlier, processed meats contain very high levels of sodium, preservatives, and oxidized saturated fats, increasing the risk of arterial clogging, hypertension, and heart disease. Furthermore, their high preservative content can lead to cancer. The 15 worst foods for your heart. 1. Green juices. Green juices lose the fiber of the vegetables when liquefied, which increases the glucose load. The high amount of liquid vegetables raises sugar intake without the presence of fiber, harming heart health. Although they are seen as healthy, it is better to consume the whole vegetables to retain the beneficial fiber. 2. Fat-free peanut butter. Fat-free peanut butter might seem like a healthy alternative, but it contains more sugars to maintain texture and flavor. These additional sugars can harm heart health over time. Instead, opt for natural peanut butter, which retains its beneficial fats and is a much healthier choice. 3. Soft drinks. Soda is one of the worst foods for the heart due to its high sugar content, which contributes to insulin resistance, abdominal fat gain, and diabetes risk, increasing the chances of heart disease. Additionally, it promotes arterial inflammation, favoring atherosclerosis. Even diet sodas with artificial sweeteners have negative effects on metabolism. The dehydration caused by caffeine overloads the kidneys and raises blood pressure, harming the heart. 4. Table salt. Excessive use of table salt is one of the main enemies of heart health. It can significantly raise blood pressure, cause arterial stiffness, swelling, fluid retention, and dehydration. All these factors are harmful and increase the risk of developing severe heart disease, making it essential to moderate salt intake. 5. Low-fat salad dressings. Low-fat salad dressings may seem like a healthy choice, but they usually contain high levels of sodium and added sugars to enhance flavor and texture. However, these ingredients can increase the risk of diabetes and heart disease, making these dressings less healthy than they appear. 6. Ketchup. Adding ketchup to any meal may seem harmless, but it can actually be very detrimental to health. This popular condiment contains high levels of added sugars and sodium, which negatively impact cellular health. Regular consumption of ketchup can significantly increase the risk of diabetes and heart disease due to its harmful ingredients. 7. French fries. French fries contain excess hydrogenated oils, refined carbohydrates, and sodium. These ingredients significantly increase the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and metabolic problems. The temptation to eat French fries should be controlled to protect heart health. 8. Processed deli meats. Processed meats, such as ham, salami, and bologna, contain high levels of sodium nitrate and preservatives. These ingredients not only increase inflammation in the body, but also affect cellular health and harden arteries over time. Regular consumption of these foods can even cause cancer, making them an extremely harmful choice for heart health. 9. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce is delicious and widely used in various recipes, but it contains high amounts of sodium and added sugars. These ingredients can destroy collagen fibers in the body, harden arteries, and weaken heart tissues over time. Therefore, frequent consumption of barbecue sauce should be avoided to maintain heart health. 10. Hot dogs. Hot dog sausages are stuffed with high levels of saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives. When you combine these sausages with bread rich in refined carbohydrates, the damage is even greater. This combo not only contributes to weight gain, but also increases the risk of developing diabetes and heart problems, making it a particularly dangerous option. 11. Fried chicken. Fried chicken is a convenient and delicious option, but it is very dangerous for heart health. Fried in hydrogenated oils, it absorbs trans fats, which are difficult for the body to process, negatively affecting blood pressure and heart health. Frequent consumption of fried chicken should be avoided. 12. Sugary cereals. Sugary cereals and snacks are rich in sugars and low in fiber and protein. This imbalance increases the risk of high cholesterol, elevated triglycerides, inflammation, insulin resistance, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease. Therefore, it is important to choose whole and less processed cereals for a healthier heart. 13. Fruit smoothies. Fruit smoothies, although they seem healthy, lose the natural fiber of the fruits during the blending process, increasing the glucose load. These smoothies often contain added sugar, raising the risk of diabetes and tissue deterioration. Prefer to consume whole fruits to get all the nutritional benefits. 14. Flavored plant-based milks. Commercial plant-based milks often contain sugars and flavors to make them tastier. However, their low nutritional value can negatively affect heart health and predispose to diabetes. Opt for unsweetened almond milk or other plant-based milk without additives for a healthier choice. 15. Low-fat snacks. Low-fat snacks are often marketed as healthy options, but they contain high amounts of sodium and sugars to compensate for the lack of fat. These components significantly increase the risk of heart health problems, making these snacks a misleading and dangerous choice. The 15 best foods for your heart. 1. Beans. Beans are rich in protein, fiber, and minerals, which reduce fat absorption, improve gut microbiome, and control blood glucose. 2. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, promoting arterial and heart muscle health. 3. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamins, minerals, and monounsaturated fats, helping to maintain a good lipid profile, blood glucose, and prevent cellular damage. 4. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and cruciferous vegetables are rich in vitamin K, minerals, and antioxidants that support cellular health, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. 5. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which dilates arterial walls, improves blood flow, and reduces blood pressure, protecting the heart. 6. Nuts. Nuts and seeds provide fiber, beneficial fats, and minerals that help reduce bad cholesterol and triglycerides, protecting the heart. 7. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, with a high cocoa content, offers minerals and antioxidants that protect heart function and improve circulatory system health. 8. Chia and flax seeds. Chia and flax seeds contain soluble fiber and omega-3, which reduce fat and glucose absorption, improving heart health. 9. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber, which protect heart health. 10. Avocados. Avocados are natural sources of monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and the risk of heart disease, as well as providing essential vitamins and minerals. 11. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, like salmon and sardines, are rich in omega-3, which reduce inflammation, improve lipid profile, and protect heart health. 12. Green tea. Green tea offers antioxidants that reduce inflammation, prevent cellular damage, and improve blood pressure, protecting heart health. 13. Edamame. Edamame is an excellent source of protein and antioxidants, reducing cholesterol and improving heart function. 14. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation, improves heart function, and controls blood pressure. 15. Whole grains. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential micronutrients for cardiovascular health, reducing fat and sugar absorption. Your dietary choices directly influence your heart health. If you follow an unbalanced diet, it's only a matter of time before metabolic issues and heart complications arise. However, if you opt for a healthy diet, rich in antioxidants and macronutrients such as lean proteins, monounsaturated fats, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, you will be on the right path to protecting your heart and ensuring a full life. If you have anything to add, please share with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm leaving 2 videos on the screen that I'm sure you will enjoy. See you there.